Ndị Igbo mụrụ m kedụ ka unu mere? Biko bịanụ na anyị nwere ọrụ. Biko na ụmụnne m, one of our daughters in Philippines is looking for her father. Yes. So yesterday, I was trying to check my inbox and attend to some messages when I stumbled on this lady's message. And she was imploring me to help her find the father of her cousin. I spoke to her and she sent this video where this Yoruba guy interviewed the girl in question and her mother. Unuleya.
Everybody, Moki, Bogoa, everywhere in the whole world. Yeah, this is my beautiful sister from Philippines. Now, she came to me this afternoon. We are about almost 4 o'clock now in Hong Kong. But he tell me some story that she's looking for one guy, they call it Blessing Ugo. Yes. Now, he said the person they are together almost 23 years ago. But after everybody left, they missed each other. But now, she have a baby to that person. Now, the baby now is here now. This beautiful daughter, our daughter from Nigeria too, Philippine Nigeria. But now the daughter wanted to know the father. That's why we are looking for the father now. In case anyone would know about the Blessing Ugo. Is the lady, this my beautiful sister, the mother of the lady from Philippines. She told me that when they are together, there is a restaurant in Merado Mansion. That time in 3rd floor, they're always eating there. But the owner of the restaurant that time is a pastor. A pastor, but we don't know the name. He have a church in Jordan, but he doesn't know the name. But that pastor who have the restaurants that time in 3rd floor, he knows her and he knows the boyfriend that is the owner of the baby of this my beautiful daughter. That's why now, please guys, anyone know anything about this story, please contact me. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm here with my brother too, Onyeka. We are together at that time when the thing happened. This is my name. Everybody know me already. You know, I don't need to introduce myself. You know everything. You know, that's why please contact me in case if anything happen. You know, if you know the information about this, please let us know. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please, this is my beautiful daughter now. She's working in Dubai. She's flying to Dubai tomorrow because she's a assistant nurse. She's a nurse and is having a job already in Dubai. She's traveling to tomorrow night to go and resume about the job now. Please guys, if you are here in 3 years ago in Hong Kong, you know about this story, please let us get information and let me know, please. You know my shop already in Shonky Mansion, in Merado Mansion, African shop. Yeah, get back to me. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.
Well, ndị Igbo mụrụ na ahụ na anọ. Ụmụ anyị adịghị atọ na mba. Isi nwa agụ anaghị efu na mba. Ama m na ọ ga-esi ike because the woman has been separated from the man 25 years ago. The only thing o jiri mara nwanne anyị nwoke bụ ugo. Ya na foto anụ anọ ebe a, foto nke ana. She doesn't know his state or community in Igbo land. Cha. I told her na anyị nwere tens of thousands of those bearing ugo in ala Igbo. And another thing, wokwa ọ bụrụ na ada edugo ka dị ndụ. Biko dị edugo ebe ọ bụla na ọ bụrụ na ka dị ndụ, nwa gị nwaanyị na-achọ gị biko daddy. Biko ndị be anyị, if you know, we can find edugo. Biko, lay his picture here. Biko, nyere anyị aka tụsa ozi ya. Nwa ya nwaanyị na-achọ ya. She wants to reunite with her father. Biko, those people don't joke with the position and role of ndenna in their culture. Ndị Igbo m ji eme ọnụ biko nụ ka anyị nyere nwaanyị aka chọta nna ya. Ụmụ nwoke Igbo, unu na-agbalị o, unu na-agbalị. Unu anwaka. You are indeed doing the Lord's work of go into the world and multiply. Ihe unu na-amụ, ihe unu na-amụ, ihe unu na-amụ. Jisi n'ike o, jisi n'ike. Utu ezi ike. Ihe unu bụ utu ezi ike. Utu ezi ike. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or you find solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.